Very easy cutting, very user-friendly.
Exceeded my expectation. I'm very impressed.
Incredible. Like, my daughter and I tried learning welding, and we did flux core, we did MIG, and we did stick, and 2 years we practiced, and I could never get a good weld. And I had seen laser welding, and I thought, it can't possibly be as easy as it looks in videos. And today I got to do it.
At first, the name to me seemed a little strange, xTool MetalFab. But now that I'm actually here seeing it, it makes sense. It's a metal fabrication package all in one. You can cut, you can weld all in one. And you don't have to pay for 2 separate sources because it's all combined.
So many features. Obviously, just the ability to cut sheet metal like this. Intricate, super crazy intricate patterns, right? To customize, this is just so perfect for, business to business, for sales. The welding was really easy, right?
When I look at everything you get in a package like this, the number's gotta be high, $15,000 range.
$15,000, $20,000.
$20,000 range. How clean it does it. The time saving alone is gonna make it worth